Hey everybody, welcome to Froggy Stocks. Nothing I say is financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Decent morning for APE. AMC's hovering around right at the options levels where it's going to run into money. $5.50, $6 is a huge point on the options chain for AMC with quite a few calls. I think around 23,000. $6.50 is around 10. $7 has another 24K calls that should have been in the money until they announced the news that Jay Powell had COVID. Ooh. And the market crashed the other day. And then suddenly you had the huge GNS spike, and there was another stock today that ran 158%, where the CEO will actually be going to the SEC protest on January 27th in DC. If you don't know about that, go to AMC Marine XXX Twitter page. He's got a lot to do with it. Me and him haven't always got along, but he's doing some really good work on getting these protests going, which I support thoroughly. I think it's great. I think we should have been boots on ground a long time ago, because retail money is being stolen out of a liquidity grab through naked shorting in our play. And Adam Aron is completely silent on it. He went completely silent on it. And all these CEOs are coming out and saying, yeah, my company's being naked shorted and we've had enough of it. So if he's doing something in the background, good for him, and I'll give him an apology. But as of right now, there's nothing going on. He's just deluding us to nothing. And it's absolutely ridiculous. Now, I'm still bullish on the arbitrage play with APE. APE is up about 6% today, which is really good. I wish the gap would stay wider. I wish AMC would go up with it. I was hoping we were going to close at a 701 today. It looks like they're trying to pull a Max Payne price fixing, keep it below, so none of the call options land in the money. We're used to that. You know, whatever. It's First Amendment. No, I will continue to do what I'm doing. Bye. Why do you even come to my channel then? Thanks for coming to my channel and commenting with your negativity, because it just gives me more views. You're silly. Then keep doing what you're doing, First Amendment, because if all you're doing is holding AMC, then you're a qualified, certified bag holder. Congratulations. Anyways, APE up 6%, 6.5%. I'm hoping this keeps going and goes for a retest of this 180 level, 184, and then we find our new support under that. And then closer to conversion, we see AMC run a little bit and APE run with it. And then if there's at least a 30 to 50% conversion rate on the time of conversion, I'll hang with it and I'll take that profit. And then hopefully when AMC comes under, say, like $3, we see shorts start to cover, AMC runs to 10, reverse split, blah, blah, blah. But anyways, there's a lot going on. The January 27th SEC protest. And then let me find the... See, it's stuff like this. No, I could care less. Not in the play. Hit me. People worry about fundamentals. If you care less, then why are you asking? It's just people who want to have input to be negative for no reason when they have no skin in the game, just to get noticed. It's like, stop. If you care less, then why are you asking me a question? Worry about your own money. It's just ignorant, man. These people get so butthurt over the stupidest little thing. Making fun of a follower is a bit tacky. I'm out. Okay, bye. Who comes into a channel to go, I'm out of here? You guys are fucking stupid, man. It's absolutely dumb. I love messing with y'all, because y'all come to the channel, watch the video, and then go, I'm out of here, because you don't like hearing the truth. Here, I'll give you guys some fake hopium. This is fake. This isn't real. I'm not saying this is going to happen. Oh my God, AMC to the moon, guys. Phase 6 is going to blow us through the roof. Make sure you go down and give me a bunch of super chats, because I told you what you want to hear now. And y'all just leave the channel. I don't care. We don't want you here with comments that have absolutely no context and or come in to promote the ideas and the dialogue in the channel. This is absolutely crazy. What's up, Laredo? I love Texas, man. I can't wait. I want to buy a little beach house down in the Gulf. and get ready for retirement. This is awesome. Everyone gets a trophy generation. That's the truth, man. Everyone gets a trophy. It's destroying the world. All right, let me find my tweet I was talking about. We got all the ding-dongs out of the way. I'll go to my page. I tweeted about another stock this morning where the CEO said he will be going to the SEC protests, and that stock is HLBZ. So that CEO announced he's going to the SEC protest, and that stock ran over 180% this morning. All they have to do is come out and say, you guys, we're being naked shorted. We have reason to believe this. We want to look into it. The stock will run, man. It's absolutely insane that this is still going on. So we still have our arbitrage gap. That's bullish. AMC's recovering a bit. That's good. So APE up 6.5% and AMC coming up almost 3% to keep that spread open while we're still making gains. And why I'm all in APE. People still don't realize why I went all in on APE with no AMC except for AMC calls. If AMC runs and APE doesn't, the conversion gap widens and you make more money at the conversion. If APE runs and AMC doesn't, then you make 100% anyways and you sell before conversion. If they both run, you make a bunch of money, then you get 100% at conversion. So being in APE is like a foolproof plan unless they come out and say conversion is off the table, which I don't think will happen. I think it's going through. I think it's going to cause a huge shakeup. Like I said, I want to see APE get this $1.84 level, create a new support. And I would love to see AMC before conversion take 10 bucks and APE take like $3. I will make 100% on the move, and then I will make over 100% on the convert. And then hopefully after, if AMC's below below $3 after conversion, shorts come in, start to cover, AMC pops back $10, $15, and then Aron can issue his reverse split if it passes. But we're in the money today. It's a good day, man. GNS too. And I told everybody yesterday, last night in the space call, when it was sitting around this level, and we followed it all the way through after hours, then it ran in pre-market again, right? GNS, I told everybody you want to take profits. If you have 100, 200, 300% gain, secure your initial investment and then look at taking some profits. That's what I would do. And this morning, people saw the good pre-market. It actually ran into pre-market where you could have sold this morning, which is super rare to see. Usually it does this before 7, before retail really gets the opportunity to trade pre-market. But it ran to $5.45 pre-market. And if you didn't take profits either yesterday or this morning in pre-market, after hours, you just got eaten alive. And it sucks because people were starting to FOMO in. I don't think the GNS play is over. I think it's going to find a bottom. I'm waiting to see if it comes down to this gap fill level that I think is a gap fill, because you had your first resistance, then you gained a support, and then we took another walk. If I see it come down here around $2, I'll take a small position, and we'll wait for it to run again, try to test $5 once again. But what happens is shorts cover, and then longs take profit, and then shorts sell out their hedge long position, and the stock has to reset. It's normal. This is what happens when you get a little bit of a squeeze, when shorts start to cover. You're initially going to have a big pump, and then you're going to bleed off a little bit. People are going to take profit. But with the CEOs openly fighting against the naked short selling, it's a very bullish thing. So we'll see. If it doesn't get back down to the $2 range, I'm not buying it. I'm sticking with my convictions on APE. I think it's super important. Either way, I'm just going to start. Anybody who comes in the chat and says stupid stuff like these people opened up with in the morning, I'm just going to remove them from the channel from now on, so I'm not even worried about them. It's so annoying. Like, people who are bag holding AMC super bad, most of them immediately get their feelings hurt if anybody says anything that goes against the buy and hodl and I'm going to $1,000 scenario, and that's why they are bag holders and will always be bag holders. SPY's doing great. We closed our puts out a couple days ago, or yesterday or a couple days ago. Made money on that, and then we used it to filter back into APE. I love that it's pushing 391. I hope it tries to go for a walk back up to this 392, like 392 flat level and gain support there, and we start seeing a little more bullish sentiment back in the market. Hoping APE just breaks out, and I'm hoping AMC just breaks out right at the end of the day. I hope AMC just goes for a walk and takes that $6, $6.50 level. That would be great for the options chain. Other than that, yesterday we had a really good space call. Last night, you guys should go listen to it. It's in the page. Lot of good news, a lot of differential from people here, there, everywhere with all different ideas. Make sure you guys go check out the January 27th protest at the SEC building in DC. XXX Marine page, AMC Marine, you guys all know him. He's got a lot of information on it. There's other people going too. The CEO from HBLZ just announced he's going. This is all a big deal. But the number one thing I can say to everybody is you got to put pressure on Adam Aron to do the right thing. He is an industry guy. He's trying to play by the rules, not the good rules. He's trying to play by the industry rules, so he doesn't tip the scales this way or that way, so he doesn't piss off the industry. He keeps trying to throw us a bone, but we keep getting diluted and we keep losing money. The more people that put pressure on the CEO to do what we want him to do, which is how this works, is a bullish thing. You can support him and still put pressure on him to cover the naked shorting, the 43 million FTDs and everything that goes along with it. It's that simple. Just because you question the CEO does not make you a shill. Just because you have APE instead of AMC does not make you a shill. Anybody who says it is a distractor and a disruptor. It's absolutely disgusting. Either way, check all that stuff out, you guys. Really big deal going on. It looks like AMC wants to go for a little walk. I hope it does. We're sitting pretty good on RSI still. On the daily, we could see it. But everything's looking bullish. I would like to say that I think the news on the special vote, the special meeting to vote on conversion is coming up very soon in the next 2 weeks. I think they're going to drop it. I think Adam Aron might announce that somehow he did get some of the Regal locations that are going to close down. 120 Regal locations are going to close down, but they denied selling him any of the locations. Hopefully he's talked with some of the leasing agents of those locations and just pulls them out from underneath them. But I'm going to vote yes on conversion, and I'm going to vote no on reverse split, because I think reverse splitting after this conversion is really going to screw retail shareholders. But if it does reverse split and it's forced through, I'm playing the downside after that. If it goes to 30, 40, 50 bucks after reverse split, shorts are going to attack that like crazy, because AMC is a 1.5 billion float at that point in time prior to the reverse split. So you're going to have a 30, 40, $50 stock price. The float's going to come way down. Shorts are going to see an opportunity to take that from $50 back down to 10 with their illegal trading mechanisms. So why would you hold that and create yourself a triple time bag holder? I'm going to buy puts to hedge to the downside. I'm going to wait and see where AMC levels. Then I'm going to see if Adam Aron has any intention of coming out and going after these naked shorts. If not, then the play's over for me, and I'll just keep watching events and helping the fight against naked short selling in the market on all these other plays and all that. You don't have to be an AMC to fight against naked short selling and try to get the SEC and FINRA to do their jobs. That's not how it works. The AMC zealots would literally sell out the entire retail community to get their squeeze to spite the fixing fair markets. I'm more for fair markets than worshiping Adam Aron. So either way, guys, quick little video this morning. If anything big pops up or we get another space call, I'll pop back on this evening. Again, the haters that come in the comments and just piss me off first thing in the morning, you guys are absolute tool bags. You contribute nothing. You probably are either hedge funds, or you have a $10 AMC position, or you're just nobody on here trying to get a rise out of me, which I don't even care. I like swearing at you. So you guys have a great morning. Stay strong. I'm sticking with the APE arbitrage play. I believe there's 100 to 200% potential upside on this, and then a potential downside to earn your money back if you are bag holding, if you play the play right.